Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix if you get this ChatGPT error message, you've made too many phone verification requests, please try again later or contact us through our help center at help.openai.com. So of course you can try to contact them via their help center. I have tutorial on how to do it, but you're most likely not gonna get a satisfactory answer from the ChatGPT support team. So what you can do, so the first one is of course to try to use another phone to verify your identity, because once you have signed up for ChatGPT, you don't really need to use the phone anymore to log in into your ChatGPT account. It is necessary just for identity verification. So once you use the phone, you don't need to use it anymore basically. If you still get this error, the error might be related to your web browser you're currently using. So the first thing you can try is to clear the cookies of the web browser you're currently using. So I'm going to show you this via Google Chrome because this is the web browser I'm using, but this method or this troubleshooting method also works in any kind of other web browser. So all you have to do is open up the privacy and security page on the settings page, then click on cookies and other site data and scroll down to see all site data and permissions and search for openai.com, which is the website where you're gonna be able to sign up for ChatGPT. And if you get this too many phone verification requests error, all you have to do is clear the cookies of your web browser and open up chat.openai.com again. And hopefully you're not gonna get the phone verification requests error when you try to sign up for a new OpenAI account. If clearing the cookies didn't help, then the issue might be related to the location you are currently in, or if you are using a VPN, you might not use a high quality VPN and this can cause some technical issues. So I would highly recommend using ExpressVPN if you want to sign up for ChatGPT. The great thing about it, besides working great for ChatGPT, is that it has a money back guarantee. So if you end up not using ChatGPT anymore, you can just cancel your subscription within 30 days and get all your money back. And if you use the link in the description below and click on start your trial today, you're gonna be able to claim 3 months off for free from their annual ExpressVPN plan. Right, so as I mentioned, if you get this, you've made too many phone verification requests, you can also try to contact the ChatGPT support team, but the VPN or clearing the cookies can also help fix this issue. If none of them help, as I said, try to get another phone number. As I mentioned later, you don't need to use that phone number ever again, so you can add any phone number you have access to verify your identity and fix this issue that you've made too many phone verification requests. Please try again later or contact us through our help center at help.openai.com.